Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the bass tutorial with Dlle. Basically I'm from Ghana, the bass, and I love the bass. I chose bass and the bass chose me. So basically what I want us to learn is to learn all about the bass from the beginning. You know, we already tried to learn the bass from the beginning. So basically it will be beginner's tutorial. So anyone who is interested in learning bass guitar, this is the best channel for you to learn from scratch. We are starting from scratch, from the beginning till we build it up. So from the beginning, the best thing to know is guitar. Basically, from the beginning is the foundation. Okay, so the bass guitar basically is the foundation of the music. When I say the foundation, I mean the bass, the sap. You know, if we talk about foundation, it means when you are building, you build on the foundation. That means a strong. So that means the bass guitar actually holds the music. It holds it firm and strong. So as a bass player, you should know your role and then know when to play your notes and stuff. So we're going to take it from the beginner's level, knowing the names of the strings. So basically, this is a 5-string bass guitar. The 5-string bass guitar. So we're going to learn from the beginning. So if you're a beginner, take your notes. Let's go. So on the 5-string bass guitar, basically we're learning the names of the strings. So if you look closely at the guitar, we have this is a 5-string guitar Fender. So we take the first string, which is the smallest string among the whole string, which is the G string. With the G string, this is the G string. G string. So that's G. We have G as a free, G sharp, right? We have B. We have B flat. We have B. We have C. We have C sharp. We have D. We have D sharp. We have on the first string, we have G. If you're counting, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on the 12th fret, you have the octave of the G. So octave simply of the G. So we have G here, we have G, 12th fret. So if you continue the same, so G, G sharp, we have A. We have C, we have C, we have B, we have it's continuous. So bear it in mind. G sharp, A, we have a B flat, G sharp, A, B flat, C, C sharp. Like that. And the second string, the free note is D. The second string is the D string. You play the free notes. That's D. So you're going to count it as we did with the G. So Usha and me, so the people who doesn't understand the English, when you watch closely to the guitar, the second string, the G string. Sorry, the D string. So D string. So if you play, basically I use these two fingers to pluck. So you have the D, right? you start counting. If you come to the first chord, that's the D sharp. You have the E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp or B flat. We have B, C, the D string, the second string. You know, the second string you block with your hands. That's the D string. So we take it one more time. D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, E flat. Sorry. So A go to E flat. Go to C. C sharp. Third string, which is the A string. So we block, start counting again. So A sharp, C, C sharp, D, E sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, so on and so on. You get to the E string, which is the fourth string on the bass guitar. You know that we count from down. You can't as here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth string, which is the D. If you plug it freely, this is the D string. Sorry, the fourth string is the E string. The E string. We know how they call it. Remember, so the E string. So let's count it from E. So from E, we know we are coming to F. From F, we go to F sharp. From F sharp, we go to G. From G, we go to G sharp. From G sharp, we go to A. From A, so we go to B flat. From B flat, we go to B. From B, we go to C. From C, we go to C sharp. From C sharp, we go to D. From D, we go to D sharp. From D sharp, we go to E. From E, we go to F. From F, we go to F sharp. From F sharp, we go to G. You understand? So that is how we learn the bass, you know. We bass players, you know, we learn from downwards. You know, we play downwards. If you want to play high notes, we play downwards. If you want to go low, you go upwards. So since I go up and down, you know, it becomes a transition, you know, downwards. That means the higher notes. That's why you hear the sharps. But say you go back, that means you are playing backwards, and then you get flats in it. But do you understand? Yeah, so that is it. So that is for E. So E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, E sharp, E, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G, and so on. Alright. And we go to the big board, that is B. B, that is the lowest, or the lowest string you get, and is the biggest. That is the B string. So B string. The B string, we count again to the octave. So we go B. From B, we come to C. From C, we come to C sharp. From C sharp, we come to D. From D, we go to D sharp. From D sharp, we go to E. From E, we go to F. From F, we go to F sharp. From F sharp, we go to G. From B, we go to C. C, we go to C sharp. C sharp, we go to D. D, we go to D sharp. D sharp, we go to E. From E, we go to F. From F, we go to F sharp. G sharp. A. The A sharp or the B flat. So then B. So that's the octave. I hope you get it. So that's the names of the strings, you know. So don't forget G, A, and B. Alright? Alright. So with that, we're going to have a warm-up. With the warm-up, this is what we're going to do. Basically, as a bass player now, if you try to say you go train your fingers to be able to play the guitar or any instrument, the string instrument, train your fingers. So how do we train our fingers? This time we are not thinking about notes, we are thinking about exercising our fingers on the board because it's quite a job to do. You have to exercise so that you can get some smooth tone. Everybody sounds differently. So you train yourself to sound who you are. That is what I think. Say, who training hard? Who training yourself? You are training your fingers so that it becomes who you are. So I may sound different from you, and you will sound different from me, depending on the size of your fingers and more. It all counts, I count it. So don't be worried about the tone right now. We are training our fingers, and then our tone will be moving up and up. So the first exercise, this is what we're going to do. On the G string, we're going to play exercise to the octave. So from G to the higher. So let me show you an example. So we're going to do it like this. On a very slow tempo. Don't speed up. And also the guitar in all those fancy brands. It doesn't need right now. It's not needed right now. So let's take it from the soft box. Alright, so we have G.